Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and in this lesson, I'm going to show you something that solves a very common SEO mystery. Many website owners say, I'm getting traffic, but I'm not getting the right customers. Very often, the problem isn't your SEO quality, it's your location targeting. Your website might be ranking, but not in the country that you actually want. So now, to review what countries your website is ranking on, the first thing you have to do is open your Google Search Console and then you go to your performance data. Now, right here, we are seeing a comparison table, but that's not necessary for this mission. So let's just select, let's say, the last 28 days. And then you scroll down here, and right here, you see that we have queries, we have pages, and then we have countries. Instead of looking at pages or keywords, we are looking at where your visitors are physically located when they searched. Now, here for this website, sample website that we are using, you can see that most of the traffic of this website comes from the United Kingdom overwhelmingly. And we're very happy with that because the website was optimized to rank in the UK. It is a UK based business. It is getting a large amount of impressions from the US, but since most of the clicks are coming from the UK, it shows that we are ranking at better positions in the UK, and that shows from the better click through rate and also the improved positioning. So, ranking for the US is not uncommon because the US is the biggest market for SEO. So a lot of websites would rank and gravitate towards the US. Now, if your business operates in a country but most of your traffic comes from somewhere else, Google has greatly misunderstood your targeting. For example, if you run a local service business but your traffic is coming from another continent, those visitors will never convert no matter how good your SEO is. This usually happens for three reasons. Firstly, there are no location signals on your website. Google doesn't clearly see where you operate on your website. The next thing is generic keywords. You rank for broad terms instead of local searches. So if you are an SEO company, for example, you have to say things like SEO company in your location. You have to mention your location and you have to make your location a prominent part of your content for Google to recognize that you are ranking for a specific location. And the last reason why you might rank in another country is that there's strong demand for your service in that country. So Google sends your page where it thinks it fits best. So now your SEO may actually be working, but just for the wrong audience. Now we can go even deeper because now I've clicked on a country and I can see which pages are attracting visitors from that location. So now from here, I've selected United Kingdom and I've gone to pages. These are the pages that are attracting attention from the United Kingdom. This tells us which page Google believes is relevant to users in that country. Sometimes you'll discover one specific blog post or service is attracting completely wrong visitors. Why does this matter for leads? It explains a lot of confusing situations, lots of messages but wrong enquiries, job applications instead of customers, international emails that you can't service, or people filling international phone numbers. This issue it's not based on your offer. It's not happening because your offer is bad. It's simply happening because your search audience is wrong. So to recap, The process is simple. You go to your search results, you go to countries, you identify where traffic actually comes from, and then you check which pages attract those users. Then you can take further steps to optimize those pages better for your location. Before improving rankings, always check who is seeing your website, because the goal of SEO traffic is not just to get any type of traffic, it's to get the right traffic. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video informative, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.